What's up, guys? This is an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. It's a pretty cool gimbal. I haven't seen an unboxing video for it on YouTube, so I thought I'd make one for you. Yeah, got it off Amazon. Let's get to it. How do you open this? There's the box, nicely packaged. Got some manuals. Got it in another nice box, nice packaging, very nicely packaged. And here it is. Got the charging wire. Here's the gimbal. Got a nice weight to it, not too heavy, not too light. I'll do a review of how it works in the next video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.